Welcome to our guide on debt management strategies. Whether you're dealing with credit card debt, student loans, or other financial obligations, managing debt effectively is crucial for achieving financial stability and freedom. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore various strategies to help you take control of your debt and work towards a brighter financial future. Number 1. Understanding your debt. The first step in effective debt management is understanding your financial situation. Take stock of all your debts, including credit cards, loans, and any outstanding balances. Make a list of each debt, including the total amount owed, interest rates, and minimum monthly payments. This will give you a clear picture of your financial obligations and help you prioritize your debt repayment strategy. Number 2. Creating a budget. Once you have a clear understanding of your debt, it's time to create a budget. A budget helps you track your income and expenses, identify areas where you can cut back and allocate funds towards debt repayment. Start by listing all your sources of income and fixed expenses, such as rent or mortgage payments, utilities, and groceries. Then, allocate a portion of your income towards debt repayment, making sure to cover minimum payments on all debts while focusing on paying off high-interest debt first. Number 3. Prioritizing debt repayment. Not all debts are created equal, and it's important to prioritize your debt repayment strategy. Start by focusing on high-interest debt, such as credit card balances, as these debts accrue interest quickly and can quickly spiral out of control. Consider using the debt avalanche method, where you prioritize paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first, while making minimum payments on other debts. Alternatively, you can use the debt snowball method, where you focus on paying off the smallest debt first to gain momentum and motivation. Number 4. Negotiating with creditors. If you're struggling to keep up with your debt payments, don't hesitate to reach out to your creditors for help. Many creditors are willing to work with you to establish a repayment plan or negotiate a lower interest rate. Contact your creditors directly to explain your situation and see if they offer any hardship programs or debt relief options. Keep in mind that it's in their best interest to help you repay your debt, so don't be afraid to advocate for yourself and explore all available options. Number 5. Exploring debt consolidation. Debt consolidation can be a useful strategy for simplifying your debt repayment process and potentially reducing your interest rates. With debt consolidation, you take out a new loan to pay off multiple existing debts, consolidating them into a single monthly payment. This can help streamline your finances and may result in lower monthly payments or interest rates, depending on the terms of the new loan. However, it's important to carefully weigh the pros and cons of debt consolidation and ensure that you're not taking on additional debt in the process. Number 6. Building an emergency fund. One of the best ways to avoid falling back into debt is to build an emergency fund. An emergency fund provides a financial safety net, allowing you to cover unexpected expenses without relying on credit cards or loans. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund, keeping the money in a high-yield savings account or other easily accessible account. Having an emergency fund in place can help you weather financial storms and avoid accumulating more debt in the future. Number 7. Seeking professional help. If you're struggling to manage your debt on your own, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Credit counseling agencies and financial advisors can provide valuable guidance and support, helping you develop a customized debt management plan based on your individual financial situation. They can also negotiate with creditors on your behalf, provide budgeting assistance, and offer resources for improving your financial literacy. Just be sure to research any professionals or agencies thoroughly and choose reputable organizations with a track record of success. Number 8. Exploring income-generating opportunities. In addition to reducing expenses, increasing your income can also help accelerate your debt repayment efforts. Consider exploring additional income-generating opportunities, such as freelancing, consulting, or starting a side business. Even a small amount of extra income each month can make a significant difference in your ability to pay off debt faster. Be creative and resourceful in finding ways to boost your income and put those extra funds towards your debt. Number 9. Practicing frugality and minimalism. Practicing frugality and minimalism can also help you manage debt more effectively by reducing unnecessary spending and living within your means. Embrace a minimalist lifestyle by decluttering your belongings, prioritizing experiences over material possessions, and focusing on what truly brings you joy and fulfillment. Adopting a frugal mindset can help you make smarter purchasing decisions, avoid impulse buys, and stretch your dollars further, freeing up more money to put towards debt repayment. Number 10. Staying motivated and consistent. Managing debt can be challenging, but staying motivated and consistent is key to success. Set realistic goals for yourself, celebrate small victories along the way, and stay focused on the long-term benefits of becoming debt-free. Surround yourself with a supported network of friends and family who can cheer you on and hold you accountable. Remember that progress may be slow at times, but every step you take towards paying off debt brings you closer to financial freedom. Number 11. Monitoring your progress. Regularly monitoring your progress towards debt repayment is essential for staying on track and making adjustments as needed. Keep a close eye on your debt balances, interest rates, and monthly payments to ensure that you're making steady progress towards your goals. Consider using debt tracking tools or apps to visualize your progress and stay motivated. Periodically review your budget and debt repayment plan to identify areas for improvement and make necessary adjustments along the way. Number 12. Celebrating milestones. As you make progress towards paying off your debt, be sure to celebrate milestones along the way. Whether you've paid off a credit card, reached a certain debt balance, or achieved a specific savings goal, take the time to acknowledge your accomplishments and reward yourself for your hard work. Celebrating milestones can help you stay motivated and focused on your long-term financial goals, reminding you of how far you've come and inspiring you to keep pushing forward. Number 13. Seeking support from loved ones. Managing debt can feel overwhelming at times, but you don't have to go through it alone. Don't hesitate to seek support from loved ones, whether it's emotional support, practical assistance, or accountability. Share your financial goals and challenges with trusted friends and family members who can offer encouragement, advice, and perspective. Having a support system in place can make the journey towards debt freedom feel less daunting and more manageable. Number 14. Practicing self-care. Managing debt can take a toll on your mental and emotional well-being, so it's important to prioritize self-care throughout the process. Make time for activities that help you relax, recharge, and de-stress, whether it's exercising, practicing mindfulness, or spending time with loved ones. Take breaks when you need them, set boundaries around work and finances, and remember to be kind to yourself along the way. Taking care of your mental and emotional health is essential for staying resilient and focused on your debt repayment goals. Number 15. Celebrating financial freedom. Finally, as you work towards paying off your debt and achieving financial freedom, envision the life you want to create for yourself and celebrate the possibilities that lie ahead. Visualize what it will feel like to be debt-free, to have financial security, and to have the freedom to pursue your passions and dreams. Keep your long-term goals in mind as you navigate the ups and downs of managing debt, and stay committed to creating a brighter financial future for yourself and your loved ones. Number 16. Seeking professional assistance. If you find yourself struggling to manage your debt on your own, don't hesitate to seek professional assistance. Consider reaching out to a certified credit counselor or financial advisor who can provide personalized guidance and support. A professional can help you create a customized debt management plan, negotiate with creditors on your behalf, and explore options such as debt consolidation or settlement. With expert help, you can gain valuable insights and resources to effectively manage your debt and work towards financial stability. Number 17. Exploring debt consolidation options. Debt consolidation can be a useful strategy for simplifying your debt repayment process and potentially lowering your overall interest rates. Consider consolidating multiple debts into a single loan with a lower interest rate, such as a personal loan or a balance transfer credit card. By consolidating your debts, you can streamline your monthly payments, reduce your interest costs, and pay off your debt more efficiently. However, be sure to carefully weigh the pros and cons of debt consolidation and seek professional advice if needed. Number 18. Avoiding temptation. As you work towards paying off your debt, it's important to avoid falling into the trap of accumulating more debt. Practice self-discipline and avoid unnecessary spending, especially on credit cards or loans. Stick to your budget, prioritize your financial goals, and resist the urge to make impulse purchases or take on additional debt. By staying disciplined and focused on your long-term objectives, you can avoid derailing your progress and maintain control over your financial future. Number 19. Building emergency savings. Building an emergency savings fund is crucial for protecting yourself against unexpected expenses and financial setbacks. Aim to set aside at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a dedicated emergency fund. Having a financial safety net in place can provide peace of mind and help you avoid relying on credit cards or loans to cover unexpected costs. Start by setting small, achievable savings goals and gradually increase your contributions over time. By prioritizing emergency savings, you can strengthen your financial resilience and protect yourself from future debt. Number 20. Embracing financial literacy. Ultimately, one of the most powerful tools for managing debt and achieving financial freedom is knowledge. Take the time to educate yourself about personal finance, debt management strategies, and budgeting techniques. There are countless resources available, including books, websites, podcasts, and workshops, that can help you expand your financial knowledge and skills. By becoming more financially literate, you can make informed decisions, navigate complex financial situations, and take control of your financial future. Remember that investing in your financial education is an investment in yourself and your long-term financial well-being. Effective debt management requires commitment, discipline, and patience, but the rewards are well worth the effort. By understanding your debt, creating a budget, prioritizing debt repayment, and exploring strategies like debt consolidation and building an emergency fund, you can take control of your finances and work towards a debt-free future. Remember, managing debt is a journey, not a sprint, so stay focused on your goals and celebrate your progress along the way. With determination and the right strategies, you can achieve financial freedom and peace of mind. We hope you found this guide on debt management strategies helpful. If you're interested in learning more about personal finance, budgeting, investing, and more, be sure to subscribe to our channel for regular updates and tips. Don't forget to like and share this video with anyone who might benefit from this information. Here's to a brighter financial future for all.